Hey, didn't you go to sleep? Huh?
What happened? What is it?
No, you come this side. Because of your studies, he's like this. Understand? Hey, go and sleep. Hey, don't you understand? I'm telling you, go. Wearing a mask and come here in the night. Go.
He's my brother.
You are all the reason behind this.
Tell me, what did I do?
Shut up. Shiva, go and sleep. You bloody go to bed. Hey.
Who is this? At this time? Hello? What's the matter? I am here for the audition of Vijayan, sir. Yes, you are referring me wherever you go, no? Tell me what is the matter?
Hey, how are you?
500 rupees. You mad? I don't have money. I begged my mother to come here.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Come fast.
Irritating beggars, making me tension.
Here, please sign here. Hey, Vishnu.
Hey, buddy, have you joined here? Is Sir arrived?
No, sir went for roundings.
Oh.
Here, take care, buddy.
Same questions. No improvement. Huh?
Hand over to him.
Tara? Hey, Tara, you also here?
Come and sit.
Finally, I got a company. What happened to the Why Not audition before you went?
Oh, I got a small character, so that I don't have an interest on that.
What happened?
I don't like the subject, yeah.
Sir, come, sir. You don't like
It's
it?
very worst, you know. You.
Give this, please. Tara, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Hello.
Okay, sir. I see a lot of people have come. All have good trust in us.
Could you please open the door?
Useless people like the last time haven't come.
Please keep the door open.
Okay.
Sir.
Come in, sir. Give it to sir.
Give it to me. We have handful now? Yes, sir, little bit.
Who is that girl you're talking to?
Huh? Don't you know her?
Who is it?
Is she a famous person to be known? Who is she?
She is Nayantara.
Huh? Is that Nayantara? She's an actress, right?
She is different. This is different.
Oh, Malayali Nayantara. At last the name gonna be a big problem for her.
But you must be knowing her father for sure.
Oh, who is that?
Jai Krishnan, BK.
Is that the old director one?
Huh? Was there somebody like that?
He was there for 10-15 years before.
I see.
Did 2 cinemas too.
He was also the producer. It was a mass hit, but his own people duped him. Then what else to say? He did the second movie, he was in debts, he couldn't face and he did suicide.
Is it?
That means, how do you know her?
Known her for many years. I was roaming around for the chances right by the time itself.
So? You mean to say that she has been living here for so many years, isn't it?
She is looking pretty only. Didn't she already got any chance yet?
She did. She did 1 or 2 movies later. But the problem was, she was always very straightforward. Nothing will happen like you think.
We don't need that. We can make her as a heroine. But for that we need 10 lakhs rupees.
How can I ask her?
How can she spend that much money?
Hey, we'll get some loan, man. She's looking beautiful. Let her wink at somebody else. We'll get the money. Why do you worry?
What you say is right. Then why don't you yourself do it now?
Look, Mr. Controller, don't finger me.
Oh, I was just making fun.
Definitely you're going to get nicely from him.
Ravi, ask her to come.
Yeah, okay, sir.
I think she has come.
Open the door. Tara. He is our producer.
Welcome.
I'm Rafiq, cameraman.
You know me, no?
Ah.
Okay.
He is our friend, Koshi.
I'm a very small peasant.
What about my character, sir?
No need for that. We all know very well that you can act. Our movie is completely based on heroine-centric film. Moreover, we don't have a hero also.
For that, he says for a new face.
Tara is okay for us.
But you need to do a small thing, that's it.
You see, you have to invest only 10 lakhs on this.
This is just a business. You just have to look it as an investment, okay?
Everyone are getting famous like this only. It's a good chance.
What is there to laugh?
Do you think it's a joke? Tell.
Sorry, sir. It's not intentionally I'm doing that, actually. I'm not able to give you 10 lakhs, sir. But I can't afford it, sir.
This will be the best turning point in your life. Don't waste it.
Sir, if I have a 10 lakhs means I can do a film also my own, sir. But I don't know the way for that.
I'll give you that. You stay with me for only one night.
That money, you can give it to your mother, sir.
Did you understand?
Hey, what did you say? I'll say
What
whatever
did
I
you
feel.
say to
Who are
me?
you to stop me? Who the hell are you to ask
Will
me
you
that?
ask your mother?
Get the hell out of here, you bloody dirty bitch.
How dare you, bastard? Huh?
Oh my god, she's broken my tooth. Oh my god, my tooth is broken.
Hey, Tara.
Hey, what is wrong?
The bastard movie makers. Shit. Hello? Sorry, I was in an audition. I put it in a silent. Just now only I saw that. The coffee shop is located near the church, right? Okay. I will be there within 10 minutes.
Anything else, ma'am?
No. Do you want anything? Diya? Do you want anything?
No.
What's the problem, yaar? Tell me. Then only I can give you the solution, right?
No, I just want to tell, but I can't tell it. I'll tell everything to you after.
You said there is a problem, then you can't able to tell me. Why are you wasting my time, yaar?
I mean, I want a help from you.
Help?
Huh.
What help, yaar?
Once upon a time, we'll study 10th standard. In that vacation, we'll stay auntie house in one day, no?
Which person? That bubbly auntie, right? Her name is... Amina.
Yeah, that person.
Her family settled in Gulf, yaar.
He's in her native place.
Are you still in contact with her?
No, we are not in contact, but that time she came to our marriage.
Why are you traveling in this situation, yaar?
No, I want to stay another place. Why means no one can't know.
Why do you want to stay outside, yaar?
You help me or not?
Shit! There is no transportation facility in that village.
Your vehicle is enough.
You can't go by the scooter there.
Tara, please. I don't want to go alone, understand me. I'm in very critical situation.
What, brother? They smashed it very well. Everyone is targeting me only. They didn't miss even one punch. They are beating me continuously. You know?
Who asked you to come in between and get all kind of beatings?
When I came in the middle, brother, everyone is targeting me and beating me
I
continuously.
can't see any place.
Yeah, there is the place.
Useless people. Where is Vijesh?
He said he will be here only.
Is it so?
Yeah.
Then where is he?
I don't know.
Hey, Richard fella.
Huh?
He told you he'll be here to you, right? Where is he now? Why are you bloody staring at everybody? Call him now.
No signal, brother. I'll check it. Okay.
Arrange. I shouldn't have believed this guy.
Yeah, I got the signal. Brother.
Then call him immediately. Talk to him.
Hello, brother.
Hello.
Sabu here.
Tell me.
I came here with the father.
Hey, did I told you to take your father?
Not my father, brother. Your father, Raman.
Hey, where do you taking him to?
You are the one told me to come here, brother.
Where?
So you boozed and completely forgot everything, huh?
You
I
bloody
don't understand what-
Why are you crying, brother?
Oh, my son Vijesh. He bit your father like feeding a donkey.
Who's this?
Come fast.
who's this? Place the phone on
It's
your chest.
paining. They bit me like washing a cloth. You have to hit them again. You come fast. You gather all our people and come fast.
Okay. Just give the phone to him.
Eh?
Told you to give him.
Hello, brother.
Just come away from that guy.
Huh.
Ask you to come.
Hello? Brother,
Hello.
there is no signal here. Changing too often. What kind of forest is this, man? No range. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Oh, brother.
Hey, what's the problem? What happened? Why did they hit our father?
Brother, what is the matter is, me and your father had some pegs in that bar nearby. By the time, the bar owner created some unwanted problem.
For what?
Asking for money, brother. Money. We went high, that's where the problem arises.
Did you tell them my name?
I told your name, but he was asking me, who the hell is that?
Then we let him know. He should know who I am actually.
Brother, please come soon. We are waiting nearby only.
Okay. You get the call now.
Huh?
Hey.
Huh?
Have you told him all the happening?
Everything.
From today, he must close his shop.
Okay. Can I ask you something? During that fight, you wantedly went and fell on that cooking girl, right?
From the day she joined the shop, I placed her in my heart. I want to hug her.
So you used the opportunity very well. Clever, brother.
Brother, how to go the palace? Do you know?
Today we got our food, brother. Don't look like that. We should get minimum 2,000 rupees from here so that we can enjoy today and tomorrow also. Okay?
Okay, I'll take care. You both are new to this place, no?
No, brother. Before we came here.
Is it so? Looks like you are pregnant, and why are you riding a two-wheeler? Can't she ride?
We know how to drive. Just tell me the address. Just show me where it is, okay? Wherever going, the useless shits are there.
Brother, address.
My dear girl, This area is not a good area at all.
We are not planning to build a house in this area, okay? Understood?
Looks like you are going to buy a lot of place here.
If I have the idea, I'll tell you. Go, yaar.
Where are you going?
You can't just escape like that, girl.
Brother, this is such a nonsense.
Bro, take your hands and give me the way, yaar.
The way you get angry, I don't like it at all.
For me also.
My dear, do something now, okay? Just tell sorry.
Just
and,
2 lakhs.
Just 2,000 rupees and go.
2,000 rupees for what?
Asking for what?
Please give the money.
Shut your mouth first. There is no necessity to give the money.
Not cucumber, it's pumpkin.
These are the shit guys, you know.
Look here. What brother offered you is the best offer. This brother is little bit crooked. Give us the money and leave the place. That is good for you both.
We are looking for the address. Why are you cheating us?
You gonna get a slap from me today.
Tara, please don't talk unnecessary. Take the purse and give the money to him.
Why we should? We should not supposed to give the money to these guys. There is no reason for paying them, right? Just think about it, yaar.
See, this is my town. What should happen here is decided by me.
Whatever happens, I'm not going to pay money for you guys. Understand?
Then I know how to get it from you.
Brother, please.
You're just an ordinary girl.
Brother, told
and
him.
don't forget that.
I told you, right? Brother is little crooked.
Take your hands off.
If I don't...
I said take your hands.
Hey, Tara.
You hit me, you slap me in my own town.
Please, Tara.
You're asking me 2,000 rupees, right? Yeah.
Tara. Brother, Tara, why are you doing this?
Don't see that bastard. Just start your bike here.
Oh my God, I'm not able to breathe.
Hello? Hello, brother.
Hello.
Hello, brother. There's a big problem here.
What's the problem?
Total problem, brother.
Did they come again?
Not them. Her. 2 ladies slapped your father, brother. Please come soon. Hello? Hello, brother.
Now tell me.
Now, what should I do,
Go
brother?
check the number plate of the vehicle.
Huh? KL02? BJ? 8624.
What's that?
8624.
Hey, what happened actually, man? You were there, right? Tell me the thing.
That's a big story, brother. Brother, please come soon. Come and catch her. They are going to nearby village only.
Hey, first you take father to the hospital. I'll look at it. Go fast.
Okay, brother. Okay. Oh my God. Why he is crawling now? Brother, get up. Get up, please.
I'm down. Oh my God.
Looking as I'm as old, there is no change. Are you okay?
All things are joke for you, no? You don't anything to know.
Why are you scolding me there to here?
Why you creating the problem? Only 2,000 is the matter, no?
Okay, I accept my mistake. Why are you telling me again this, yaar? Let's leave this. Do you have to find him and say sorry?
I'm not telling you done a wrong thing. Already I'm in a critical problem. Now you're creating a new problem, right?
It's finished. Let's leave that, yaar. No problem after here.
Hey!
with Dia.
Dia? Ah, Dia, my baby. It's long since I met you, baby. Aha. Hey, looks like a happy news.
Where is Auntie?
Amina?
What is
Amina, I'll just come. Hey, see Amina, who has come here?
I think there is a problem.
They are happy only.
It's not same as old, yaar.
I think you forgot it. She's 10 years old only.
I think there is a problem, yaar.
Hey, just see who is there.
My dear, I've not seen you for so many years. How are you now?
We just came to see you.
That's right.
Auntie, what's the sound inside your home?
That? He was hitting the servant in our house.
Look here, if it doesn't listen to me, I'll just do this to it.
Why you look like this?
This. I just killed a fowl. Hey, I haven't seen you before here.
Actually, I'll come last time.
Yeah.
She came with me.
Listen, you don't remember her? Tara. My dear. Come, both of you come inside. Come.
You also come.
Come carefully.
Please come.
You're coming here after a long time. Why don't you come whenever you find time? Isn't it? When did you come here last time? Do you remember?
Hey, there is no range here, yaar.
Yes, Tara. Here DSNL tower only available.
Okay, done.
How is your leg now?
Very painful, yaar. I have to go to hospital tomorrow.
You're already go on a trip, no? That time came only.
But I didn't feel that, yaar.
Really? Then how it is came? Okay, you're not going today?
No, yaar. I don't want to leave you from here without you.
Tara, what are you telling? She is not that type of person.
That's okay. I want to tell you something.
Yeah, tell.
Whenever I see the auntie, it reminds me the Korean Psycho family, you know?
Psycho? They? Super. What she is telling?
You didn't say me the reason to stay here in the middle of the forest. You have to tell me the reason. Okay. Hereafter, I won't ask you the reason. Whenever you feel free, just tell me.
I'll go and see. Wait.
They asked me to call you for the dinner.
Yeah, we'll come. You go. We come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come here, man.
Brother.
Come fast. Feel shy when you're eating. Amina, give her those chicken pieces. Let them eat.
It's okay, uncle.
You also take some.
Eat well, baby. You're not eating for only one. You should eat for 2 people. Okay?
Here it is.
Here. You take this. What are you doing?
How many times I've told you? I will take only hot milk. You should know that. Take it and go now. Get out.
My God.
Why are you doing this, uncle?
There is no point in telling him all this. This guy standing here is the 12th servant for this month. He will say something to anybody coming here and send them out. What can I do?
He will not go. Because he's a Bengali. A local man will go away. You keep eating. Eat well, please. Give them some more pieces.
Why is like that?
What are you
please
looking
keep
at?
silent,
Give
I'll
them
tell
some eat. Hey, you should eat well. Hey, this is country chicken, baby. This is not the ordinary broiler. Eat well. It's good for you. It's country chicken is always good for your health. It's not the broiler chicken. Okay, eat this biryani also. Show me your plate. I'll give you more. Eat. What are you looking at? Whom are you waiting for?
There is no range here. Just check it outside. Oh, such a small village here. Shit, there is no range. There is no range in outside also. Superb. There is no electricity even. Done. Very good. When the electricity will be back? Who locked this?
It's this. 10 o'clock, the power will be off from here. You want this?
No, I have the light.
Then you go and sleep. I look at the Bengali. La 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 re do ra re do ra ra re do ra la 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 re la
locked it. Diya?
Huh?
Diya?
1 minute, Tara.
Come soon, yaar.
Yeah, coming.
Why you locked it, yaar?
I didn't lock the door.
Then?
I hear someone knock the door, so I'll close the door.
Maybe your uncle only.
Go.
Inside it is too hotter. When the electricity will be back?
Hereafter, current will come.
Why?
They have one daughter, Rasina. You know, no?
Did you saw her?
We came last time, no? You seen the photos, right?
She settled in Gulf, right? With her husband.
Yeah, that's right. Auntie also lived there.
What's the connection between the electricity and this girl?
Actually, 1 year before, in that country, one time she got a shock.
Oh.
After that problem, uncle every time, night time he removed the fuse. Why means nobody got the shock.
I think he is mentally...
Little bit only. After she dead, they are mentally disturbed. They want a mentally free, that's why they came to village.
Then okay, how did you know this?
Auntie bring the candle, that time she told me.
Yesterday itself I told you, no, there is a problem here.
Take the bath, you get calm.
No, I don't, I'm okay with this.
Oh, I have a dress, no?
No.
Actually, we'll buy some dress, no?
We are not planning yet, right?
Okay, we'll get tomorrow.
Today I'll sleep in the balcony, yaar. Without fan, I can't sleep here, so I'm planning to go outside, yaar.
You come morning, no? Okay, I go to sleep, okay?
Just lock it, yaar.
You call me, okay?
Okay. Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Cool down, cool. Okay.
Open the door, Dia. Dia.
Wait.
Open the door, Dia.
Wait.
Dia, open the door. What happened, Dia?
Nothing, uncle.
What happened? Huh?
You don't know anything, right?
Tara, what are you doing?
You just killed the Bengali boy. I have seen that. You can't hide
What are
it.
you saying?
You just killed the boy.
Hey, I didn't kill him.
When I see
What are you saying?
Move away. Are you mad?
He is a mad. He killed that Bengali boy. I have seen that,
Who?
you know.
Who told you? Till now, both
I
of
have
us were
seen
sitting
that.
in the room. Do you have any idea about that?
Tara.
Dia, I didn't
listen.
kill anybody.
I'll explain you. Tara, please. Tara, uncle
What
is
is
very
happening
innocent.
here?
Please
God
not kill him. If we kill him, the police will arrest you. No. He don't have the stamina to kill that person. Tara, listen. This is Kerala. If we kill the person, the police will arrest. No. How he do in this house? Actually, he do means how the relatives react.
I've seen that, Dia.
What you seen, Tara?
Tell me, where did you see him dying?
In downstairs.
Come with me. Come with me. Let's go and see. Come.
Uncle, I'm also coming.
No, not necessary. You both be here.
Okay.
I'll take care.
You just lock the door. Don't open until I come, okay?
Okay.
I didn't kill anybody. I heard somebody knocking at the door. That's why we came to your room. That was the sound we heard from your room.
I saw him in the downstairs.
Come with me. Let's go and see. Where did you see him?
There.
Come. We'll go down and see. Where? Tell me. Where?
Here.
Here, where?
Oh, what?
It's just your imagination.
Here only I saw that.
I don't understand the problem. We'll see in Bengali's room. Come with me. Come. See who is here? Now tell me who's sleeping here. You're just speaking your imagination. You're making fool of the people. Come with me. What to do with you? You told me that somebody killed the Bengali guy.
Give me a second.
Huh?
Give me a minute. I'll check once again. Give me
Now
a minute.
what's your problem? I don't know what is he going to see there now. Now what's her doubt?
Who's on this time? Who's that? I heard the sound. Who are you?
Any other person inside your home?
Daddy?
What?
Some sister is here.
What? A girl?
Yeah.
At this time? Who are you?
Sir, I'm staying at that bungalow. It's near to your home only.
Which bangla? In the Hussainis?
One masked guy came and he killed Hussain.
Finished him?
My friend is trapped into that bungalow. Sir, can you give your mobile phone so that I can call the police, sir?
Oh, sorry. I don't have range here, so we use only land phone. I'll call the police now. You wait. Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm HSC Matthew.
Why are you calling me at this time?
Near my house, there is a bungalow, and there was a thief there.
Thief? I don't think so.
No, sir. A victim from the bungalow has come asking for help. If you can come here, sir.
Jeep is under repair, so I can come by morning only.
Oh, I forgot it, sir.
So do one thing. Just call higher official and ask for the help from nearby station.
No, not necessary, sir. If they come and can't find out the thief, it would be a shame.
Oh.
You come in the morning, sir.
What I'm going to do by the morning?
Right, sir. Then I'll go and check what happened. If I find the thief, I'll keep him there. If I can't find him, you come in the morning and find him out.
Do what you want. I'll be there by morning.
Okay, sir. Dear, my dear. You see, I spoke to the SI.
What did he say?
He said he'll come in the morning.
What should we do now?
I did not tell him about any murder that she said. I said there is a thief.
Why did you say?
Once the police comes, and if they find nothing there, it is going to be a shame on us too, no? What I'll do is, I'll go till there and go look around. You go bring my gun. Quick. Sorry, I went to take some extra bullets.
So what we are going to do, sir?
Dear, did you bring the torch?
Sorry, just a second.
Get it.
Sir, can we call other people also? That will be better, sir.
No, there is no one like that to come here quickly. The next house is about 4 to 5 kilometers away from here. And you will find only old folks there. You don't worry. I'm here now. We have this gun too with us.
Daddy, here. Can I come with you?
No. You close the door and go sleep. You come with me.
Sir, the door is locked. They locked it inside, sir.
Then how did he come out?
Through the kitchen, sir. Through the kitchen, we have the door.
Okay. When did you last see him?
He is there, sir. We can go by this way.
Is this the way?
My friend! I'm sorry. Left side. This way. This side. This room. This room. Shit! Auntie! Oh my God, Auntie! 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 Auntie, please wake up.
Where are the others?
I don't know.
Bastard! Drop your weapon. Drop your weapon. Remove your mask. Take your mask off. Stop.
Hey, check the number.
Okay.
This is the place?
Hey, check the vehicle, man.
Brother, this is the vehicle.
Is that?
If I get into your work, I will not step back.
There is no use of coming here. We can come by morning now.
Hey, she hit my father, you know.
Hey, see here. We searched an number plate and came this long here. Now you're telling that we should have come in the morning.
Huh. We have to call her. Have to give the thing what she deserves actually.
Brother, I'm repeating again. This would create problem.
Hey, Tommy. You the one who brought this guy, right? I told you already not to bring this guy.
Hey, what is this, da?
I came here only for the Tommy.
Tommy.
Hey, see here. Don't create unwanted problems. Now you talking like this after you drunk from his money.
Hey, brother. Is there anyone else apart from them?
Hey, I told you already, right? Here, this old man Hussein and his servants are staying. No matter how many people will come, I am going to ring the bell. There is no use for it. He'll cut the power before he's going to sleep. He got some mental problem, it seems.
That means go to the entrance and kick it off. Go.
Okay.
Go faster now.
I'm going only, no. Hey, move fast, man. Hey, what are you seeing from there? Come here, guys.
Okay. We are coming. Don't worry. Yeah, we are coming.
Let's see what happens. Hey, wait. This is to be good. We have to stand here. While they are opening the door, they have to see us and get scared.
What?
Nothing. Open the door, man.
Why it's not opening? What, brother? What's going on here?
Brother, I'm totally confused.
Is there any ghost in this house?
That means we come in the morning. Come on.
Brother, this is not right. Without him, how can we leave this place?
What do we do now?
We need to go inside.
Under which confidence can we go in?
Hey, that's right. God only knows what's inside this.
If anything happened to him, it create big problem in our future.
What do I do?
Do you know his father? No.
He's right. We are the one dragged him here.
What can I do? Okay, go inside and check at least, man. Go.
How do we go? The doors were closed.
No problem. We have a perfect thief. Brother, you go and open the door.
We can easily open only kitchen door. Hey, go to the tools from the vehicle.
Get fast.
They would have told me earlier.
Now I can remember one thing.
What is it?
We should reach here in the morning. Thinking of going to the hospital. Why do we have to come this night without sleeping?
Okay, let him sleep.
I'll tell you one thing. We go home and come check in the morning.
No need.
Why do you take
I told you to bring the tools. You had a peg, right?
No,
I'll see
not
to
at
that.
all.
He's stuck inside.
I'll see to that.
No, you are misunderstanding me. I'm not that sort of
I'll
a
talk to
guy.
you later, man.
I don't touch Rick
You can
even
do
with
it,
the
brother.
hands.
Come on. Be silent and follow me. Don't talk.
Okay. What's going on? I don't understand.
I'm following you
Silent,
guys.
be silent.
I think
No
he
one
knew
should
the
hear
way.
us.
Hey, what's careful?
Okay.
Go safely, okay?
Hey, careful, man.
There must be kitchen at home.
Don't make any noise. Yeah, this way. Slowly, slowly. Go. I think next door.
Hey, watch around. Be careful.
Hey, what is this? Who has kept it open?
That's me.
Oh, so that's the story. So after coming from here only, you come there. I don't have any problem. But don't look at me that way innocently.
Hey, how do I know, man, who opened this door?
So it wasn't you. Just be careful.
Brother, get inside, go.
Hey, my father is alone in the hospital.
Hey, don't talk.
What are we doing here?
Hold it.
Hey,
Hey, be careful.
Don't make noise and follow me.
it's so dark. Don't make any noise.
So dark here.
Come
Just
this way.
be careful.
Hey,
Where are you
keep
going?
quiet. Watch around.
Hey, come this way, man.
Don't shout and talk.
It's so dark in here. Yes, come.
What is there, man?
Hey, what do you see?
See anything?
Hey, brother.
Don't
is
talk.
there anything?
Don't talk.
Come. Okay. This way. Yeah.
See, the key is there.
Hey, look, the keys are here. They should have forgotten them here.
Okay, then you go and give it to them.
Okay, I'll go and give it.
I'll slap you, man. Making jokes.
Why have they kept the keys here and gone away? I don't understand.
Brother, what should you do now? Papu, please tell something, man.
Where can we find them here? This is too big. Let's go as a team. Would be right.
Let's go as a team. You both are one team. And you both are one team.
What about you?
Me. I'll put the fees and come.
Oh, what is it? Fees? For what fees?
He only told. The old man remove the fees and go to sleep.
Hey, that is not fees, man. That's fuse.
Hey, don't correct my English at midnight, man. If I put the fees, the work will be easy. Just 10 minutes, I will be back.
Hey, don't waste the time around, man.
It will be very useful when the power comes. We both goes upstairs.
Okay, go that side. What about you?
Yeah, I will come, man.
Come on.
Hey, you come.
Hey, come on. Don't afraid. Hold me. Come on, we go upstairs.
I told you not to talk.
What I'm thinking is, we just look into the ground for itself.
Okay.
Brother, I'll check upstairs.
Hey, give me signals.
Okay.
Hey, be careful. It's slipper.
Brother, what is this, brother?
What is this?
What is this?
Seems it's blood.
What?
Blood.
Brother, don't scare me, brother.
It is. I'm feeling something bad. Hey, see, someone passed there.
Brother, please don't scare me, my brother. Brother, look that.
You see someone, right? Money. There is something bad here, I think. It's all blood there. Hey. Hey, money. 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 Money, where did you go? Money. Hey, money. Where did you go, man?
Brother,
hey, money.
I think there is something.
Money. 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 Wait.
Tommy? Where are you, Tommy?
Don't shout, man.
Please don't make noise.
Without shouting, how do he know?
Come. Look. My dear.
Let me knock it.
It's closed.
Wait. Hey, Tommy. Hey, open it.
Don't make noise.
Shit, it's stuck.
Hey. Who is that?
Who is it?
There.
Big Mask.
Now I got the matter.
What?
He's also like me only. Hey, who are you, man? Huh? Hey, I'm also a robber like you. Okay, then we can come to a compromise now. You dragged that fellow inside, right? You should let him go. We'll leave the place immediately. After that, you steal, take everything you want. What's with you and your mask, man? Are you crazy, man? Insulting our job. Who am I, man? I'll beat you to pulp, man. Hey, what the hell? Hey, Babu, you run away. I'll hold this leg. Please run away. Go, man. Hey, go fast.
Vishnu's brother.
Don't worry about me. You leave.
Sir, I can't.
I'm telling you. Leave.
Sir, I can't leave you in that situation.
You escape from here. Now go.
Sir, what happened to you? How do you come here? Who is that?
You take her and leave from this place. Go. Escape now. Go. Seems he has come. Leave now. Go.
Oh my God! Hey, who's he?
He went upstairs. You can come out. Come out, quiet. Don't make noise. You go that way. Go to my house. Go. Tell my daughter.
Come on.
Everything will be all right. Don't waste time here. Go.
Come with me. Come on. Is it still paining?
Hey, there is no use for standing here. We have to go now.
Wait. 5 minutes here. Very painful.
It won't be fracture. I think it hurts while we're running hard.
If we stand here, we get problem. We have to go right now. Please come, guys.
Don't get panic. He never know this way, which we are using for escape.
Okay. First, who are you? How you came here?
Okay. Then, how do you know about Matthew, sir?
Matthew sir is my father's friend. I belong to this native.
Why you came this time?
How do I tell you?
Hey, please tell me the truth to me.
I will tell everything. In search of you two, I'm here.
Us? For what?
This morning you made a problem with a guy. A old man.
The 2,000 rupees guys, right?
Maybe. I don't know what is the problem is. He is the father of a Vishen brother.
Who is Magician?
He is a big shot in the city. I also came with him. Not only me. We came with some more members.
You mean tit for tat, right?
You are right.
How will you know we are in that house?
At that moment, there was a man, Shabu. He has noted down your vehicle number. We find you with the help of it.
Okay, then where are the other guys?
The masked man killed everyone. He killed a man in front of me.
I have seen in the movies only.
In case he found us, definitely he will kill us.
There is no reason for these kind of killers. Definitely he is a psycho, you know.
No, I think there is something new.
What purpose? Do you know that guy? Diya, do you know that guy? Please tell me about him, yaar.
Yes, yes.
See, Diya, who's this guy? Tell me, what's the problem? I know there is a reason for traveling from there to here, you know. What's the problem, yaar? Tell me. I don't know how serious it is, you know. Just tell me, who's the psycho? Just tell me, he clearly, yaar.
Shiva. Shiva.
Your husband? He is not in the Gulf?
Yes, he is.
That masked man is your own husband who is trying to kill us. Is it? That mask. I have been seen it.
Where?
that was in the market fancy store. Definitely he would murder the fancy store guy. Your husband is a big pervert.
Tell me what is the problem? What happened to him, yaar? Why he is killing without any purpose? Please tell me that, yaar.
Brother, what's happened?
Sister, I think the board is gone.
Oh, what we have to do now?
Let me see, sister. I will take it to the showroom and fix it, sister.
Okay, you drink some juice.
Thank you. Sister, usually TV will be in the hall, right?
Yeah, but I'm staying here alone only, no?
Oh.
If in case in my room, I can watch freely
Okay. Why you are staying alone? You are pregnant, no?
No, I have a help for one lady.
Oh,
She's today's leave. 1 minute.
Okay.
Oh my God! What a surprise! Oh! What happened to you? Tell me what happened.
What is this?
This is photo.
Why you posted this photo in FB?
I'm not having FB. You deleted the FB, right?
Why you posted this photo in FB? Moreover, why are you posting like this?
Okay, what is the problem for this photo?
You wanna know what's the problem with this? You're showing your navel to everyone. That's why you posted this photo, right?
Shiva, what are you talking? If we wear saris, this is a normal thing, right?
If you know the abdomen will be revealed while wearing sari, then why the hell you're wearing the sari?
See, there is a limit for everything. Shiva, what happened to you? Tell me.
Sister, what is the problem? Who is he? So he's the guy, your boyfriend.
He's a TV mechanic, Shiva.
Do you think I'm a fool?
Shiva, leave! Shiva!
Shiva! Leave her alone.
What's happening?
Diya, are you okay? Is there any problem?
Who are you?
Sir, I came to repair the TV, sir.
Did you meet her? You need anything more?
No, sir.
Then go. Go.
Shiva, you go, please sit down.
Hey, I'm telling you, man. Go. Go sit there. There you going.
Shiva, look at me. Hey, what is your problem? Trust me. You can share anything with me, okay? Okay, you go get inside. I'll speak to him sometime. Go.
Dia, doctor has been speaking to him, Dia.
I can't do anything. This thing was happened after he went to Gulf. So what I can do? He doesn't give me the peace. Why I am here right now is for his happiness. Yesterday we posted a photo, right? We took a photo. He told my dress is not proper. That's why he tried to kill me. He is mad.
Yes, absolutely right. Because he did not get his passport and visa. Only after injuring the agent very badly, he has come from there to here. And that agent is my friend. He spoke his heart out to me. And he never made a police complaint for me.
Oh my God. Why is Shiva doing this?
Doctor!
Oh my God.
What happened? What happened, doctor?
Shiva hit me and ran away.
Oh my God.
Doctor!
Hello? Is that Hari? Oh, tell me. The doctor is speaking from my phone. Hey, we don't need that. You just invest unofficially. If it leaks out, it will be an insult for our family. Okay. You just see and give me a call. No, he doesn't have any other friend. It's only those two people who I told. Only both of them. Yes. Then it's okay.
Huh? Oh my God. Don't waste even a minute. As time flies, he will become more violent. Okay.
What did the commissioner say? Ravi called me up on the landline. Shiva has not gone to his friends.
Come. This is the situation. Nothing is in our hands. If you remember, a mechanic went from here, right? Shiva traced him out and killed him.
He killed? Why he is doing like this? What is the problem?
For love. Longing for love. That's his problem.
Listen, Shiva already was having this problem. And we all of us hid it from you. Shiva's father, I meant to say my uncle, was staying in Gulf for so many years. And his wife was taking care of him. He did not show a lot of affection to his uncle. Earlier, his uncle came to India only after so many years. And as far as Shiva, his aunt was his world. When he was around 10 or 12 years old, his uncle came to India after so many years. And on that night,
Mom? Huh? Mom? Mom!
Shiva? You didn't sleep?
Mommy is not in the house.
What happened, dear?
Why are you sleeping with this outsider, Mom?
Hey, I'm not an outsider. I'm your father.
Mom, you come with me.
Why are you getting so angry?
You shut up.
What the hell is he talking about?
First time he's talking like this. Dear, is this a way to talk to your
Come
daddy?
with me, Mom.
She will not come. You go to sleep. Go. Go.
No, look here. He'll feel very bad. I'll go and sleep with him.
No. He's grown up enough. Let him sleep alone. Don't make him a coward. He's a grown-up boy and he's got to be a man. Let him sleep alone all the time. You come. Upsetting my mood.
He felt they may take away his aunt from him. He was mentally disturbed. And on that night, he killed his uncle brutally. And after that, for 5 years, he was in the mental asylum only. And after his aunt's death, he went to depression very badly. And on that day night, he treated him.
Yes. But there wasn't such a big issue on that day. He required only 1 month treatment.
And only after that, he went to the college, he met you and became friendly with you.
His blind love towards his mother repeated only with you. When he went to Gulf, he couldn't bear staying away from you. But because of his company's agreement, he couldn't come back here. He didn't want to miss you. He was longing for your love. So all these things spoiled his mind entirely.
What we have to do, doctor?
If we treat him right, she'll be okay. But you better be careful.
Why, doctor?
If he finds you now, he may even kill you.
You go away from here for 2-3 days, then we'll take care of him, and then we think he should be perfectly all right after that.
Commissioner. Hello, sir. I'm Hamid here. Oh, okay. Good job. No. We will come there. Okay, sir. All right, sir.
What happened?
Shiva is now in her old family house. Police are with them. Let's go, Harry.
Should I also come?
Yes. He is only afraid of you. If you tell him, he will listen.
Then I'll go and come. Now, you think to go away from here for some time.
Please don't be afraid of Shiva.
Oh. We can't say till we reach he'll be there, you know. This is all for safety's sake. You should reach the place where he can't find you. This is not an ordinary case. Now, he's a dangerous person. To say it in a single word, a psycho.
Why didn't you tell me as of now anything, yaar?
What I have to say? My husband is very mad at me. Totally, my heart is broken.
At least you can share with me, right?
Hey, I tried to many times to say, but my heart is not for ready to say.
I already told you that he is not a right guy for you. You raise so many problems, so that only I accept that. There is a reason behind your marriage, you know. You don't know anything. They planned something and you got married that person.
Tara, stop it. The love is the reason for he done all the thing.
Very good. Even now also you support him, right?
Tara, please think behalf of Shiva's side. He is very innocent.
He is not a pity. He is a criminal, right? Murderer and a psycho.
Don't cry, sister. Fucking bastard! How did he know this way?
listen my words, okay? Shiva, you did everything wrong. Come out of your imagination and just understand the reality. Diya can't live without you. Please listen our words, Shiva, please. Diya left her family for you, Shiva. Please understand. There is no other person to take care of Diya.
Please leave her. Shiva, leave her, Shiva.
You know one thing? The girls like you are the problem between me and her. I am enough for her. And she is enough for me. Do you know how much I love her? In the fear of losing her, I am unable to sleep also. I'm growing crazy.
Shiva, leave her, Shiva. Please.
I don't like to kill anyone. Why the hell are you guys coming in between us? That's why I killed everyone.
Shiva, leave her, Shiva, please. Shiva!
You know one thing? Just to find your place, I killed everyone.
What you said?
I went to the flat, but you were not there. She was the only one there. I asked her properly, but she didn't answer me properly. I don't know what I did finally.
Why, Shiva, are you doing this? For what reason?
I don't know. To solve all this problem, we have only one way. Shall we die?
No, Shiva. Please, Shiva.
Sorry, Divya. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm doing all this. Please forgive me. We will go to a lonely world where we'll be there. Shall we? Shall we? No one will come to disturb us anymore. We will die. I tried to kill myself many times, but I'm unable to do that. We will die together. So we will stay together. Even in death, I cannot leave you alone. I won't leave you alone. I love you so much.
Bring me the rope! Bring me the rope! Faster! Rope him tightly. Tie him. Make it fast. Like this. Take it this way. Tight it. He should not move.
Are you sure? Did he die?
No. Tie him fast.
He's not moving.
I think he is unconscious. Make it fast. Come on, sister, let's go.
Shiva. Oh, God. Shiva.
Should live now. As soon as possible. We should contact the ambulance to that particular bungalow immediately. Or else we couldn't save my father alive.
How do you know? And how you found us?
Already it's late. I didn't get any response. So I visited the bungalow and searched for you. And my father said to me, you people are towards the forest. And this psycho is following you people.
Matthew sir is good.
Dad is out of danger now. But we should rush him to the hospital immediately.
Get up, sister. Come on. We need to inform the police. Come on. Come on.
Come here. Hurry up.
Go. Go. Come on, sister. Come on.
Come fast.
Don't stare at him. Come on. Let's go. Ah!